If your plants look tired, your vegetables are underperforming, and fertilizer just does not seem to be doing what it used to. There is one thing missing from your garden, and most gardeners have never even heard of it. It is called humic acid, and it is not a fertilizer, not a chemical, and not the latest garden gimmick. It is one of the most powerful natural soil conditioners on the planet, and once you understand what it does beneath the surface of your soil, you will wonder how you ever gardened without it. Today we are going to break down exactly what humic acid is, how it transforms your soil from the ground up, and how to use it correctly in your organic garden. We are going step by step through the whole process, and by the end of this video, you will know more about this underground soil secret than most experienced gardeners ever do. Humic acid is not something invented in a laboratory. It forms naturally when organic matter, ancient plant debris, leaves, and decomposing material, breaks down over thousands of years deep in the earth. What remains after all that time is a rich, dark, carbon-based compound that is absolutely packed with biological activity. It is one of the most concentrated forms of natural organic material you can add to your garden soil. The best commercial sources of humic acid come from a mineral called leonardite, a soft, naturally oxidized organic deposit that has been accumulating humic substances for millions of years. When you purchase humic acid at a garden center or online, that is exactly what you are getting. Carefully extracted ancient organic material, concentrated and made ready for your garden beds. It is essentially nature's own soil conditioner, bottled. Think of humic acid as the ultimate natural upgrade for the environment your plants live in. Not what plants eat, but the world they grow in. It does not feed your plants directly the way fertilizer does. Instead, it transforms the soil itself, making nutrients more available, improving soil structure, and waking up the beneficial biological life that keeps everything working underground. It makes everything else you do in your garden work better. Here is the key thing to understand. Humic acid works on multiple levels at the same time. The first and most immediate effect is on your soil structure. Humic acid binds to soil particles, whether you are dealing with heavy clay or loose sandy soil, and creates what scientists call aggregates. These are small clumps of soil that hold air pockets and moisture in a perfect balanced relationship, producing exactly the loose, crumbly texture that plant roots need to push through and spread freely. The second way humic acid works is by increasing something called cation exchange capacity, which is simply your soil's ability to hold on to nutrients. In low-quality soil, fertilizer and compost wash straight through with rainfall before roots ever reach them. Humic acid molecules carry a natural electrical charge that attracts and holds positively charged nutrients, calcium, magnesium, and iron, right in the root zone where plants need them most. Instead of losing those nutrients to runoff, your soil keeps them in reserve. The third benefit is one that organic gardeners will especially appreciate. Humic acid is a powerful food source and habitat for beneficial soil microbes, the bacteria, fungi, and earthworms that make organic soil truly productive. When microbial populations thrive, organic matter breaks down faster, nutrients cycle more efficiently, and plant roots are naturally protected from harmful soil pathogens. This is what it means to have a genuinely living soil, and living soil grows healthier plants every single time. Once humic acid begins working in your soil, the first thing most gardeners notice is significantly stronger root development. Roots push deeper, branch out more widely, and build a far more extensive network for collecting water and nutrients. This stronger root system is what separates a plant that barely survives a dry spell from one that keeps right on producing through it. And for gardeners in hot climates or with inconsistent watering schedules, that resilience makes a genuine difference. After several weeks of consistent use, you will begin to see visible changes in the plants above ground as well. Leaves become a deeper, darker green, stems thicken noticeably, and the entire plant simply looks stronger and more vigorous. This happens because humic acid acts as a chelating agent. It surrounds locked-up minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, and converts them into forms that plant roots can actually absorb. Your soil may already contain those nutrients. Humic acid simply unlocks the door. Seed germination and early seedling establishment also improve significantly when humic acid is present in the soil. Seeds germinate faster, sprout more uniformly, and young seedlings develop their first true roots more quickly in a biologically active, nutrient-rich environment. For gardeners who start from seed, this improvement in the early stages can meaningfully raise how many seedlings survive and thrive through those critical first weeks after germination. Before we get into exactly how to choose and apply humic acid, If what you are learning in this video is already changing the way you think about your garden soil, take a quick second right now and hit that like button. It helps this channel more than you might realize, and if you are not yet subscribed, we post practical, no-nonsense organic gardening tips every single week. Hit subscribe so you never miss one. Walk into any garden center or shop online, and you will find humic acid in two main forms: liquid concentrate and dry granules. Both work extremely well, but they move at different speeds and suit different situations in the garden. Understanding which one to reach for will save you time, money, and get you the results you are looking for more consistently. Liquid humic acid is mixed with water and applied as a soil drench directly around the base of your plants. It moves into the root zone quickly, and most gardeners begin seeing results within 2 to 3 weeks of the first application. This makes liquid the best option for established plants, container gardens, and situations where you need results without disturbing roots or existing soil structure. Granular humic acid is worked into the soil at planting time or gently top-dressed around existing plants and watered in well. It releases more slowly, building and improving your soil steadily over an entire growing season, which makes it an ideal choice for raised beds and in-ground gardens. When buying either form, check the product label for a humic acid concentration of at least 70%. Anything less tends to be too diluted to produce consistent, measurable results. Here is the good news about applying humic acid. It is almost impossible to overdo it. Because it is entirely natural and completely non-toxic, there is no risk of burning your plants or harming your soil biology with too much. That said, following the recommended application rates will give you the most consistent and cost-effective results from the product throughout the growing season. For liquid concentrate, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water and apply it as a regular soil drench around the base of your plants. Do this once a month throughout the growing season for consistent, steady improvement. If your soil is particularly compacted or depleted, increase applications to once every 2 weeks until you begin to see the soil texture open up. Then drop back to a once-a-month maintenance routine from there. For granular humic acid in garden beds, apply 2 to 4 pounds per 100 square feet and work it gently into the top 2 to 3 inches of soil before planting. Water it in well immediately after to begin activating the humic molecules. If you are building or refreshing raised beds at the start of the growing season, mix granular humic acid directly into your full soil blend before filling the beds. This gives every plant you grow that season a biologically active, nutrient-rich foundation from the very first day. One more tip worth knowing: humic acid combines beautifully with compost tea and liquid fertilizer. Rather than choosing between them, mix them together in your watering can and apply at the same time. The humic acid enhances absorption of the nutrients in your fertilizer and extends the activity of the beneficial microbes delivered in your compost tea. They amplify each other, and your plants will show you the difference. One of the most common questions gardeners ask is how long it takes to see results from humic acid. With liquid applications, most gardeners notice improved plant color and overall vigor within 2 to 4 weeks. Root development improvements actually happen even faster underground, and you will feel the evidence the next time you transplant, when the root ball you pull is noticeably larger and more developed than you would normally expect at that stage of growth. With granular applications, think of it as a season-long investment in your soil rather than a quick fix. The full rewards, improved soil texture, higher microbial activity, better water retention, and more efficient nutrient cycling, build progressively over the entire growing season. By the time you are ready to plant again next year, you will be working with measurably richer and more biologically active soil than you started with. And that improvement compounds with every season you continue to use it. Here is a quick recap of everything we covered today. Humic acid is a naturally occurring compound formed from millions of years of organic matter decomposition, and it is one of the most effective soil conditioners available to organic gardeners. It improves soil structure, holds nutrients in the root zone, feeds beneficial microbial life underground, and unlocks minerals already in your soil that plants could not access before. You can apply it as a liquid drench for fast results or as granules for season-long soil building. And either way, it works powerfully alongside your existing compost, fertilizer, and natural amendment routine. If your soil has been letting your garden down, if plants are underperforming, nutrients seem to disappear, or your beds feel more dead than alive, humic acid may be exactly the piece you have been missing. The science is solid, the application is simple, and the results have been proven in organic gardens all over the world. Give it one full season, and the difference in your soil and your plants will speak entirely for itself. If this video helped you understand your soil and your plants a little better, please take a moment to give it a like right now. It truly helps this channel continue growing and reaching more gardeners just like you. If you are not yet subscribed, we put out practical, no-fluff organic gardening content every single week, and we would love to have you with us. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below and tell us, have you ever used humic acid in your garden and what results did you see? We will read every single comment and we genuinely look forward to hearing from you. We will see you in the next one.